Today, we're talking about why we are absolutely obsessed with Kajabi and why this current sale that's going on is the best time to jump in.
When we first started online, we were duct taping everything together. We had one tool for our website, another one for sending marketing emails, another one for landing pages, and something else for our courses. It was expensive, confusing, and honestly, we avoided logging in because it felt so overwhelming.
Kajabi changed that, though. It's the first platform that actually let us simplify. It's one login, one dashboard. It's our website, our courses, our emails, our landing pages, our checkout pages, all in one place. It feels like going from a junk drawer to a beautifully organized kitchen.
We don't like junk drawers. So here's what that really means for you. You stop wasting time on tech and you start focusing on serving your audience. You actually launch that course, membership, or coaching program you've been thinking about. You get to keep more profit because you're not paying for five different tools.
Right now, Kajabi's having a sale, which means you can get started for way less than usual. And because we're Kajabi affiliate partners, if you use our affiliate link, you get a huge bonus from us.
When you sign up for Kajabi through our link, you get 1 full year inside Website Royalty, our private group. That means we're not just saying, thanks for purchasing, good luck, and sending you off. We're actually there with you while you build.
Inside Website Royalty, the private group, we help you. We help you set up your Kajabi site step by step. We help you clarify what you're actually selling. We help you turn your ideas into pages, offers, and emails. And we help you get feedback so you're not building in a vacuum.
So if you've been on the fence about Kajabi, this is your sign. Use the sale, use our affiliate link, and let us support you for a full year.
The link's in the description. You can also use the QR code at the top of the screen or go straight to mysexybusiness.com. You'll find the specials there. You go ahead, click it now, start your Kajabi trial on the sale, and then send us your confirmation so we can get you into Website Royalty.
Grab the sale, get Kajabi, and come build with us for a year.